दोस्तों, मैंने आपको शार्क पैटर्न कवर बताया हुआ है। अब हम नेक्स्ट पैटर्न पे चलेंगे, जो कि हार्मोनिक पैटर्न का ही दूसरा प्रकार है। और इसमें हम जो बटरफ्लाई पैटर्न की बात करेंगे। आपने अगर वीडियो ना सब्सक्राइब किया हो तो इसको सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करें और अपने दोस्तों को शेयर करें। ये और कोई भी अपडेट होगा, कोई भी नया वीडियो आएगा तो आपको तुरंत पता चल जाएगा, आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन पहुंच जाएगा। अगर आप बेल आइकन नहीं प्रेस करेंगे तो आपको नोटिफिकेशन नहीं मिल पाएगा। This pattern is called butterfly pattern. Time frame 1 hour 4 hour trades. Setup: stock market should be in bear or bull. Trade with primary trend. You can use a trend line. Trading before time is 9:20 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. This strategy should be avoided in range bound and or sideways market. Butterfly pattern. So there are two kind of butterfly pattern. One is a bearish butterfly, another is a bullish butterfly. So using the triangles created within the butterfly, trader can determine whether holding a short or long position is the more profitable. Butterfly harmonic pattern definition and the diagram. You can see the diagram of bullish butterfly and bearish butterfly. So it will start from point X, then A, then B, then C, and once C form, then at the D point you have to buy, and then again you can go ahead with this is bearish butterfly. So this is bullish. So you see, this is a bearish butterfly. So the second diagram is bearish butterfly. So on bearish butterfly you have to short at D point. You can see the bullish and bearish butterfly. D point you have to buy in bullish butterfly, and bearish butterfly you have to sell on D point. So this is the difference, and the formation you see, bullish butterfly is formed at X point, and bearish butterfly and upward, and bearish butterfly start from downward. So you see the bullish harmonic pattern. So D point you can buy, and you have to, I will let you know how you have to draw this pattern. Conditions here: AB equal to XA, AB equal to XA 0.786, BCAB range is 0.3822 to 886, CDBC is 1.618 to 2.24, ADXA equal to 1.27 dash 1.41. So profit you can book at the D point. Short entry is suggested when D point is confirmed. Buy it. So you see here it is revert bearish butterfly harmonic pattern. Here condition is similar way, and it is a bearish trend. Short entry is suggested when D point is confirmed. So here it is a short entry, and here it is a long entry. So you have to make long entry, buy here and sell here. So process how you have to use harmonic indicator. First, click on the harmonic indicator, which can be located on the investing.com or trading platform. Identify the chart starting X point, which can be any swing high and swing low. Once you have located your first swing high or swing low, you simply have to follow the market swing movements. Once you need to have 4 points or 4 swing high lows point that bind together and form the stock market harmonic patterns. Every swing leg must be validated and abide by the harmonic pattern strategies rules below. So you see that I will show in the diagram. This chart I have taken in investing. This kind of diagram, just see my arrow here, it is formed, and you can use X A B C D pattern. Here you will get, and then you have to analyze the pattern and draw the pattern and buy at the D point. So D point, you see how the bullish candle is formed, and it is a bullish butterfly pattern, and you can buy it and book a profit. You can use the Fibonacci in that also. Bullish butterfly harmonic pattern, buy entry. As we established earlier, D point of the butterfly stock market harmonic pattern can develop anywhere between 1.27 to 1.618 Fibonacci extension of A leg. Since the market is not perfect place, we will initiate buy order, hit the 1.27 Fibonacci extension. So where you have to place a stop loss, you can see. So you see that the bullish butterfly harmonic pattern 1.272 Fibonacci extension, it was hit at point D extended to 1.573 Fibonacci, but we enter at 1.272. Once we confirm, you see this is the diagram. Again I shown Axis Bank. Process 3, bullish butterfly harmonic pattern, stop loss. For bullish butterfly harmonic pattern, you normally want to place your protective stop loss below 1.618 Fibonacci extension of XA. Please remember, this is because any break below will automatically invalidate the butterfly harmonic pattern. Process bullish butterfly harmonic, book of profit, adding to the multiple profit with AHPT trading strategy will enhance your further experience. The stock market harmonic pattern, while they are reliable pattern, we can use that. This you see that we can book the profit here. Then you see Fibonacci retracement 0.618, and this you see we can book profit at 2 point. This is bearish, so you can sell 1 point and we can sell second point. So the above example was buy trade using bullish butterfly harmonic. Use the rules for bearish butterfly market harmonic pattern for sell trade. In figure you can see here, the diagram is here, so you can see this is the diagram. You see it is a short trade, so you see the short trade here. See a short trade here. So this is bullish, then bearish short trade. So you see in both the pattern. Friends, please do practice on this bullish and bearish butterfly pattern and try to learn. These patterns are very useful. and highly profitable. This is a kind of harmonic pattern. So you learn this is advanced pattern. Thank you friend. Thanks.